Neutrophils are the most common type of white blood cell in our bodies. These tiny yet powerful cells make up about 50 to 70% of all white blood cells, playing a crucial role in our immune defense. They are essential components of our immune system, acting as the body's first line of defense against invading pathogens. Without neutrophils, our bodies would be vulnerable to infections and diseases. Think of neutrophils as the first responders to an injury or infection. Just like firefighters rushing to extinguish a blaze, neutrophils quickly move to the site of trouble to neutralize threats. These cells are quick to react and rush to the scene of any damage. Within minutes of detecting an infection, neutrophils are on the move, navigating through the bloodstream to reach the affected area. Their primary job is to control threats and begin the healing process. They engulf and destroy harmful bacteria and fungi, preventing the spread of infection and aiding in tissue repair. Neutrophils are vital for our survival. They not only fight off infections but also signal other immune cells to join the battle, ensuring a coordinated and effective response. They protect us from countless infections. Every day, our bodies encounter numerous potential threats, and neutrophils are always on guard, ready to defend us. Without them, even minor injuries could quickly become life-threatening. A simple cut or scrape could lead to severe infections if neutrophils weren't there to intervene. Understanding how neutrophils work is crucial for understanding our body's defense mechanisms. By studying these remarkable cells, scientists can develop better treatments and therapies to boost our immune system and fight diseases more effectively. When our body experiences an injury, it releases distress signals called cytokines. These cytokines act like an alarm system. They alert the neutrophils and guide them to the affected area. Imagine a fire alarm going off and firefighters rushing to the location. That's similar to how neutrophils respond to cytokines. This rapid response system is crucial for preventing the spread of infection and minimizing tissue damage. Neutrophils are highly mobile and can navigate through blood vessels with remarkable speed and efficiency. Once neutrophils reach the site of injury, they need to exit the bloodstream and enter the affected tissue. This process, called diapedesis, is quite remarkable. Neutrophils can squeeze themselves through tiny gaps between cells lining the blood vessels. This ability to infiltrate tissues is essential for neutrophils to reach and neutralize threats directly. They act like specialized troops deployed to combat danger at its source. Section 4. The Arsenal Neutrophils' Weapons Against Injury and Infection. Neutrophils come equipped with a powerful arsenal to fight off infections and clean up damaged tissue. These white blood cells are the first responders to microbial invasion and injury, rushing to the site to neutralize threats and initiate healing. One of their primary weapons is phagocytosis, the process of engulfing and destroying invading microbes. This is a crucial function, as it helps to quickly reduce the number of harmful pathogens in the body. Imagine a Pac-Man gobbling up dots. That's essentially what neutrophils do to bacteria and other pathogens. They identify, chase, and consume these invaders, breaking them down with powerful enzymes. In addition to phagocytosis, neutrophils release potent chemicals through a process called degranulation. This involves the release of granules filled with toxic substances that can kill bacteria and fungi. These chemicals act like grenades, damaging and destroying pathogens in the vicinity. This dual approach of engulfing and releasing toxic substances makes neutrophils incredibly effective at controlling infections and aiding in the healing process. Neutrophils are constantly patrolling the bloodstream, ready to spring into action at the first sign of trouble. Their ability to quickly respond and deploy their arsenal is vital for maintaining our health and protecting us from a wide range of infections. Section 5. A delicate balance. The two sides of neutrophil action. Neutrophils are a type of white blood cell that play a crucial role in our immune system. They are the body's first line of defense against infections, rushing to the site of injury or infection to combat invading pathogens. However, their powerful responses can sometimes cause unintended harm. Think of it like this. While firefighters are essential for putting out fires, sometimes the water damage from their hoses can be a problem too. Just as firefighters can inadvertently cause water damage while extinguishing flames, neutrophils can sometimes damage healthy tissues while fighting off infections. In some cases, the chemicals released by neutrophils, such as enzymes and reactive oxygen species, can damage healthy tissues. This can lead to inflammation, which, while a natural part of the healing process, can sometimes become chronic and cause further complications. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of diseases including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. This dual nature of neutrophils, being both protective and potentially harmful, makes them a fascinating and challenging area of study in medicine. Researchers are constantly exploring ways to harness the beneficial aspects of neutrophils while minimizing their potential for harm. Understanding this delicate balance is key to developing new treatments for a range of inflammatory and autoimmune diseases. The study of neutrophils continues to reveal the complexities of our immune system and the fine line it walks between protection and destruction.